Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, or if you are new here, I'm Silver Shepherd, and I talk about anything and everything gold and silver related. And in today's video, we're talking about something that is unfortunate for some of us, but a very good thing for others, and that is the silver bull run being over. So within the last few hours, prices have tumbled from $53 to $49, and that could either be, just a bump in the road or the very end of the run, and I'll break it all down for you guys. What happened to the prices, reasons for the drop, what this means for us, and what we should do now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't panic after all this. So yeah, sit back, enjoy, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so why did the prices of silver drop like this? And there's no single thing. It's a combination of factors based on what I've been reading from the market reports and everything like that. So first off is profit taking after the massive rally where silver has surged over 60% in the last year. A lot of investors have cashed in their gains. They're like, hey, I bought it at 35 and it's 53. It's time to sell and lock in some profits. This widespread selling has pushed prices down fast. Second thing is easing geopolitical tensions. Silver, like gold, is a safe haven asset. With things calming down in the global hotspots, less talks of escalation in the Middle East or trade wars, people felt less need to hoard precious metals, and that reduced the demand, pulled the rug out a bit. And the third thing is a supply glut hit the market. Reports say the London Bullion Market Association released extra silver in inventories to cool things off, flooding the markets and driving prices lower. Plus that, abroad economic vibes played a role. The Fed's interest rate cuts earlier this year boosted metals initially, but now with stronger than expected U.S. economic data like job reports, the dollar strengthening, making silver pricier for international buyers and adding downward pressure. I've seen this pattern many times before. Silver rallies hard, then corrects sharply. It's not doom and gloom. It's just the market taking a breath for the first time in a little while. So what does this price tumble mean for everyday stackers like myself and more than likely you guys? And on the surface, it stings if you bought at the peak. Unfortunately, I just bought I spent $1,000 this past weekend when it was pretty much close to its very peak, and so I'm down a little bit right now for that last one, and so yeah, it just dipped. But zoom out of that, could be a buying opportunity. Silver's still up huge year to date from around 24 in January. Sorry, not 24, 34 in January to 49 now. That's over 100% gains. And if you're in it for the long haul, like protecting against inflation or building wealth, short-term drops like this are par for the course. For industrial users, think solar panels and electronic makers, this lower price might ease costs, potentially boosting demand later. But for speculators chasing quick flips, the bull rush feels over for now. Now hearing from people in the community that are pausing buys while others are scooping up even more and more silver. So remember, silver's dual role as both investment and industrial metal means it bounces back when demand picks up. So if you're diversified with bars, coins, and even junk silver, you're in a very good spot, and this drop doesn't erase the fundamentals of why we first started buying in the first place. So practical advice time. What you should do with this tumble. First, don't sell in a panic. If you stacked for long-term reasons, hold tight. History shows silver recovers from corrections like this. I've been through I haven't, but my father was in the 2011 price drop from 50 back down to 20, and it came roaring right back up. Second thing is consider buying the dip if your budget allows it. At $49, that is a huge discount from the 53. So grab some American Silver Eagles generic rounds, while the premiums might ease up on that as well. But do your homework first. Watch some more videos that I have that can talk about all of this stuff. Check the spot prices daily on apps or online dealers. And the third thing is to diversify your approach. Mix in some gold if you have the ability to, and fourth, stay informed. Watch the signs like rising industrial demand from green energy or renewed inflation. Worried that could spark, huge upswings. But my personal tip is set a stacking budget like $50 to $100 a week or month, and use dollar cost averaging to smooth out these volatility spikes. And if you're new, start small and build up your confidence and your ability to buy more and more. We're all in this with the shared goal of protecting ourselves. So, share in the comments below what is your exact plan or what you hope to be able to do. So looking ahead, is the bull rush really over? I hope not. Not entirely. Analysts are still bullish long term with projections for silver hitting 60 or more by 2026, driven by solar panels growth, EV batteries, and ongoing supply shortages in mines. So refining issue are real, with backlogs making it hard to meet demand, which could push prices up even further. But short term, we might see more sideways action or even further dips if the dollar stays strong and keeps, growing. Keep an eye out on global events. Any flare-ups could reignite the safe haven buying. The bottom line of this all is silver story is not over. This tumble is just a small chapter in the book. So stay patient, stay smart, and remember why you got into this in the first place. So I know this was a lot, but I hope it helped make sense of the silver price tumble. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that thumbs up button, drop a comment. Do you think silver's bull rush is over, or is it just a huge buy signal? Check out my other videos on silver stacking tips right here in my description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.